pouring into their home. The older couple couldn't afford the thousands of dollars it would cost to replace their leaky, hole-covered roof.
But after a relative started a GoFundMe page, NBC Charlotte's Brandon Goldner reports a local roofer stepped in to help.
Wade and Louise Lunsford have lived under the same roof since 1954.
Honey, are you hiding?
No, I'm just trying to get leaned up against the car.
65 years of marriage.
Okay.
Nearly half that time under the same physical roof. Holes dotting the structure, rainwater constantly leaking in, collecting in makeshift tubs.
And we'd have to get up at 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning and empty it when it started getting filled up, and it rained, like continuously.
They couldn't afford the thousands of dollars needed to replace it until one of Wade's cousins started a GoFundMe page.
That looks good, man. It looks really good.
It ultimately got the attention of Southern Star Roofing's Brandon Johnson.
Someone once said, if you take care of God's business, he'll take care of yours.
He offered to take care of the Lunsfords' problems for free, ripping out and replacing every square inch of their roof.
It's just overwhelming, really, the kindness of people.
Kindness Johnson hopes will spread to other business owners.
Step up, reach out, pay it forward. I think we're blessed with those kind of resources. It's our job just to give it back.
It's the same philosophy guiding the Lunsfords' 65 years of marriage.
Take a little and give a lot.
Living under the same, yet brand new, roof. In Gaston County, Brandon Goldner, NBC Charlotte.
Once the roof is finished, another company, Providence Restoration, plans to repair water damage inside the home from those years of leaks. I love stories like this.
Yeah. All right, turning now to the force.